Kamusta kayo guys? Syempre, ito na naman tayo at muli tayo magre-react kay Ruel Carino, ang The Golden Boys ng Valenzuela at Matt Munro ng The Clones ng Itbulaga. Meron tayong nakitang video niya guys dito sa By Request kung saan kumanta sila ni Karen. Nagduet sila nung kanta ni Regine Velasquez at ni Jose Marichan yung Please Be Careful With My Heart. Napaka-iconic nitong kanta na to. Pakinggan natin at panoorin kung gaano sila kahusay dito sa kanilang performance na to. Sabay-sabay tayo mag-react.
Please be careful with my heart. Duet ni Karen and
May nag-request na
Bunso.
naman.
Alam mo
Alam
yun?
nyo na.
Yan na.
Ako.
Ako pa ba?
Okay, okay.
Kakapain ko na lang.
Okay.
Ganda, Ruel.
Let's do this, guys.
Star. Apo. This is Please Be Careful With My Heart for 1.
I love you and you know I do. There'll be no one else for me. Promise I'll be always true for the world and all to see.
Magkaboses din talaga sila ni Jose Marichan, no? Kuha rin ni Ruel yung timbre.
Love has heard some lies softly spoken, and I have had my heart badly broken. I've been burned and I've been hurt before.
Sana gawa nila to ng studio version, no, ni Karen. Yung talagang malinis yung pagkaka-record. Ito kasi live by request. Mas maganda kung meron sila studio version. Yung madalas pakikinggan ng mga tao pag namimiss sila magka-duet ni Karen.
So I know just how you feel. Trust my love is real for you. I'll be gentle with your heart. I'll caress it like
Galing ng pianista nila, no?
the morning dew. I'll be right beside you forever. I won't let our world fall apart.
Pero gusto ko rin yung duet nila ni Carmela dun sa Jesus ng Aking Buhay. Talaga napakaganda ng pagkaka-record nila dun, ano? Yung sa soundtrack ng My Best Friend Eman.
From the very start, I'll be careful with your heart.
You are my first
And you are my last.
and I'm willing to
I've
take
learned from the past.
Kuwela din talaga nito ni Karen, eh. Komedyante rin, eh, no?
that till life is through, I'll still be loving you.
Oh my God! Wow!
I will be true.
I will
to
be
you.
true.
Just a promise from you.
Only to you.
From the
Ganda ng boses ni Karen, no? Dati sumali din siya sa, ano bang contest yun? May napanood ako sinalihan niyang contest nung bata pa siya, eh. Nag-aano siya. Tumutugtog siya ng piano, tsaka kumakanta siya.
very start.
From the very start.
From the very start.
From the very start.
From the very start. Please be careful with.
I'll be careful.
Parang ito na yata yung pinaka-team song nila, no? Ng tandem nila ni Karen. Please be careful with my heart.
With your heart. Thank you so much to Juan Primo Alonzo,
Pareho silang
Eugenio.
ano, eh.
Thank you po.
Kuwela, no? Ni Karen.
Tibok. At dahil nag-gift po kayo, ito po ang tibok. 1, 2, 3, go! Ito na ba yun? Hindi nagkasabay. Napulo na siya.
Natatawa na lang si ano eh. Si Lucky Robles tsaka si Daryl Shade. Sa kulit ni Karen.
Ito na ba yun? Tumitibok na tibok kanta.
Ayos. Isa na namang malupit na video ni Ruel Carreño at ni Karen Aistrup yung ating napanood, guys. Sa mga hindi pa nakasubscribe sa ating munting channel at gusto nyo pa mapanood yung ating mga reaction video, mag-subscribe na kayo sa ating munting channel para ma-notify kayo sa mga susunod pa nating ire-react na video ni Ruel Carreño at ng iba pang The Clones. Paano, hanggang dito na muna. Kita-kits ulit tayo sa mga susunod pang reaction video.